Okay, Paul, where are we? What are we doing? Tell us all the things.
We're at the Malloy residence. We're in the steel phase of the project. That's right after the excavation. This is our steel delivery. It's in the front yard on the good grass. I get it, but what we have here is a little bit skinny access, and the Moffett trucks bring this in sideways. So it all gets hand loaded in the back, which we'll see all steel guys and girls back there doing this, and they're dragging the stuff all the way to the back. It's like 85 degrees right now, but in the summertime when it's 95 and 100% humidity, those bars of steel get about 150 degrees. So this is one of the most important parts of the job, and it's also the part that takes a lot of labor, a lot of work. Some key people that do this part of the work. What we have here, you'll see two different size rebars, number 3 and number 5. And we all think that's the diameter, the thickness of it. It's actually the width, the space between your ribs here. This is 3/8 of an inch. That's 5/8 of an inch. But in essence, it does make your rebar thicker. And when you go from different size rebars and or different grade rebars, that's what gives you your tensile strength or your flex strength. So you go up a 20,000 pound difference between a number 3 and a number 5. And when we go back there, we'll see where we put the 3 and where we put the 5. So come on back. You notice your access looks wide open. They always look wide open sometimes. Sometimes they have bushes in the way. But there's a couple other things I want to point out, that just because your wall to wall is a big open space, you still have other obstacles like your irrigation valve box or your natural gas valve. So those things can, especially when they're across from each other, they can get in our way, and we got to figure out different ways. But we do a pre-construction meeting. We meet with you before we put a shovel in the ground to kind of go over these details that during the sales process, it's really exciting to design the pool and see your dream. But when the construction process, these are the things we got to look at, which we go over with you before we actually start. We do encroach on the neighbor's yard a little bit. So we do ask for permission from the neighbors as well. And this is our steel crew out here. Nice breeze today, not that hot, but the oven's about to turn on here in about another month. And it gets pretty miserable. These are special people doing the steel work.
Love it.